Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Codeforce's problem startup. If you are new to my channel, I want to mention that my channel is dedicated to help people in their Java J2 interviews and in their coding interviews. You will find a lot of helpful videos on my channel related to Java J2 interviews and coding interviews. You will find over 200 solved different varieties of coding problems which were previously asked by Google, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Yahoo and many other big tech companies that are solved and explained using Java code. So if you are preparing for any Java interviews or initial screening interviews or coding interviews, then this channel can definitely helpful for you in your interview preparation. So please subscribe to the channel. So let's first go through the problem statement. Recently, a startup by two students of a state university of CTF gained incredible popularity. Now it's time to start a new company. But what would we call it? The market analysis come up with very smart plan. The name of the company should be identical to its reflection in a mirror. In other words, if we write out the name of the company on a piece of paper in line horizontally from left to right with large English letters, then put this paper in front of mirror, the reflection of the name in the mirror should perfectly match the line written on the piece of paper. There are many suggestions for the company name, so coming up to the mirror with a piece of paper for each name wouldn't be sensible. The founders of the company decided to automatize the process. They ask you to write a program that can, given a word, determine whether the word is a mirror word or not. Uh, so in the input, the first line contains non-empty name that needs to be checked, right? So it's like capital letters. From these letters we have to choose, right? From A to Z, some letters we have to choose, and we have to print yes if the given name matches its mirror reflection. Otherwise, we have to print no. So for example, if you take this AHA, then this one matches the mirror reflection, so we have to put yes. So let's go to the whiteboard. So if you write this word AHA, right, and if you put it in front of mirror, then it will still look AHA. So what happens when you take this in front of mirror, then this right character will appear on the left side, right? So this A will appear here basically when you are looking into mirror, right? And the right character will appear on the left side. So this A will appear here and H will stay the same here, right? So as you can read it, it is same as this word, right? This word mirror that you are seeing in the mirror is same as the word that is given to us, AHA, right? Um, the other example they gave us here is, let's say XO, right? XO, if you write XO here, and if you take that to mirror and if you look into the mirror how it will look like, then you will see that X will go here and O will go here, right? They will change the place, so they are not same basically, right? So we have to put no there basically, right? So we have to say no for this one. So how will we decide, like how can we solve this problem, right? So basically first we have to identify in the English 26 letters which are the letters which are same, which have same mirror reflection, right? So if you can see, I have enlisted all these letters which has same mirror reflection. So if you put A on a paper and if you put it in front of a mirror, it will still show up as A basically, right? So this has the same mirror reflection. So similarly H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So all are these letters which have same mirror reflection, right? And other words, they do not have same mirror reflection. So for example, if you say Z, right, Z does not have same mirror reflection. Or if you say let's say C is not same mirror reflection, D is not same mirror reflection. These are the same mirror reflection letters in English, right, that I put it here. So when we want to check if the word is the whole word is same mirror reflection or not, then what we have to do first is we have to check each of these characters AHA. They should be present in our this list, right? Because these are the letters in English alphabet which has same mirror reflection. If they are present in these letters, then other thing we have to check is that for the positioning, right? Because in mirror it will look in opposite way, right? When you show it in front of mirror, so this A will go on the right side, this A will go on the left side, right, in the mirror. So what we have to do is we have to check if the palindrome, it's a palindrome, right? If it's a palindrome, then only we can say yes, right? This is a palindrome, so we can say yes. This one is not a palindrome, right? Means XO and OX are not palindrome basically, but AHA is a palindrome, right? So we have to check if that is a palindrome, then we will say yes, right? So let me just revert the coloring back now. So AHA is one of the word. We can take another word, let's say um, A, then M, right? O, then M, and then A. So if you take this word also is a palindrome, and if you take it to the mirror, it will still look the same, right? Because A will go here on the mirror, it will go from left to right. This A will go from right to left, right? So similarly, this M will go here, this M will go here, and O will stay at the same place in the middle, right? So as you can see, this is a palindrome of each other, and in this case we have to say yes basically, right? Because they are the same mirror words. So let's look into the Java code for this problem. So it's not that difficult once you understand the logic. So for the given string, this is the input string that is given to us called a suggested name. Then we have this set of letters, right? That we are, because we have to check each letter in the given string, that it should be, that character should be present in this string, right? Because these are with same mirror reflection letters. So then we took a flag in the beginning. It's just a boolean flag, it's true. And then we will go through each of these characters, A, H, and A, right? So A, then H, and then A. So we will go this character by character, and we will check if it is present in the string, right? Here we are checking that using the index of method. If it's not present, then we will just set our flag to false. If flag is false, then directly we will just say no, because the other characters, if it is present in the string, it means that we cannot find the same mirror word. Otherwise, if the flag is remaining true, means these all these characters are present in our mirror reflection set, then we will check if it's a palindrome, right? So if it is a palindrome, then we will just say print yes. So for palindrome, I just created one helper method is palindrome. So we are just using string builders reverse method. So we will just reverse the string here using the string builder reverse. And if it is same, if the original string and reverse string are same, then we will just return true. Otherwise, we will return false. So that is the logic for solving this problem. So let's just execute this one. So we are getting correct answer yes for this example that they have given us. So let's take another example. So this one we have seen. So let's take XO. So if our string is XO, then we should get no, right? So we are getting no, which is correct answer. Now let's take another example. This one AMOMA, right? AMOMA. So let's take this as an example. AMOMA. So this should give us yes. So we are getting correct answer yes. Now if we put M here, then we will not get yes, right? We will get no, because this is not a palindrome. So we are getting no. So it's not a mirror word. So this is the logic to solve the Codeforces problem. Startup. So we just first, how we solve this problem, we just first found out all the characters in English alphabet which has same mirror reflection. So when you put this letter, every letter in front of mirror, it will look same. And we will go through each of the character of this given string, and we will first make sure that those letters are present in the set of our mirror reflection set. If they are present, then we have to also make sure that this is a palindrome. So once we reverse the string, it should still give the same string that we have seen, because in mirror it will look the opposite way, right? That's why we have to check palindrome. If you are new to my channel has a playlist called as Codeforces, which has a lot of solved Codeforces problem explained with examples and Java code. Also, the link for the GitHub account of the solved solutions of Java code is also given. Also on my channel you will find another big playlist called as LeetCode and LeanCode solutions. It has over 200 solved LeetCode and LeanCode problems which were previously asked interview questions by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Yahoo, Microsoft and many other big tech companies. You can go through this playlist and practice these coding examples when you are preparing for any coding interviews. That will definitely help you in your coding interviews. The coding varieties contains graph problems, binary search tree problems, dynamic programming, BFS, DFS matrix problems, as well as coding interview questions related to linked list and strings. So that will give you sufficient varieties of different all kind of coding questions that come in the interviews. If you find this video helpful, if you like this video and if you like it the way it's created with whiteboarding session and Java code, please give it a like. Also subscribe to this channel. Your subscription to the channel is really important for us because that is the way the videos can reach to more people who need help in solving coding problems. They can see these videos and learn how to build the logic to solve different varieties of coding problems, as well as they will understand what Java data structures and APIs are useful and applicable to solve different varieties of coding problems. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you have any questions related to the video, please put your questions below the description and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching this video.